Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join 2025 prediction trend on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story right here, and then I'm going to click on camera. Okay, and to join the 2025 prediction trend, we can simply search for the prediction trend. 2025 prediction trend right here. If the 2025 prediction fact hasn't appeared right here, we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the symbol, and we can search for the my 2025 prediction. This one, guys. You can click on the search menu and you can type in my 2025 prediction fact. Okay, we're going to use it. Okay, and the effect now has been applied to my camera, and I'm going to record my video with my camera. Okay, now I'm recording my video with this effect or this filter on my Instagram story, guys. You just need to tap and hold on your camera, and then you just need to wait until your prediction come out. Again, this is my prediction with someone who will love you. Okay, and you can save this video, then you can share this video to your Instagram story. And before you post this video to your Instagram story, you will be able to edit it. You can add tags or sticker or maybe music to your Instagram story. And for example, I'm going to add music. I'm just going to select, for example, this one. Okay, I'm not gonna add lyrics. I just want to add music, and then we can also add sticker. I'm going to add the sticker, okay, like this. Okay, and then once you're ready to share your Instagram story to your followers, you just need to click on your story right here, and then your 2025 prediction trend will be shared to your Instagram story. Okay, that's easy, right? And you can try it by yourself on your Instagram. Okay guys, and that's all the way to join a 2025 prediction trend on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, guys.